What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today there's a little bit something. Well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. So I'll just show you the bad news. So I was going through my yard. And I got stuck right here. I am buried. See, watch. I'll show you. Let me get up on here. See, I am stuck in mud. Alright, see? Hold on. We are spinning. We are not moving. We are buried. So, I'm going to use this to try and pull me out. My 2,000-pound Badland winch. So, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the winch hooked up. As you can see up there. It is attached. And so, we're gonna be trying to pull it out. So let's up. All right, let's see if we can do it. Okay, I think we're good. Just give me one more sec. Okay, so we got the winch back up, and so yeah, that has been my morning. So let's back her up and get her unstuck. Well, we already got her unstuck. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe button. Till next time, peace.